Ever wondered about the real cost behind that cozy plaid scarf or stylish plaid shirt? Today, we're diving deep into Do Matter by Plaid, exploring the ethical and environmental footprint of plaid's production process, one step at a time. First, let's examine plaid's sustainability initiatives. These include investments in renewable energy, like solar panels for their factories, and comprehensive recycling programs to minimize waste. Next, we investigate plaid supply chain. This involves tracing the journey of raw materials from their source to the finished product, ensuring fair labor practices and responsible sourcing every step of the way. Then, we break down plaid's efforts to minimize their environmental impact. This includes analyzing resource consumption, waste generation, and exploring innovative ways to reduce their carbon footprint. Finally, let's look at how plaid promotes responsible business practices. This involves fostering a culture of ethical conduct, transparency, and accountability throughout the organization. So, the next time you admire a plaid product, remember that Do Matter by Plaid strives for ethical and environmentally conscious production, promoting a more responsible and sustainable future for fashion.